In a world full of temporary things, you are a perpetual feeling. Love is like the wind. You can't see it, but you can feel it. Love is too weak a word for what I feel for you. One life is too small a time to express how madly I am in love with you. You take my breath away. Always, if you live to be 100, I want to live to be 100 minutes a day. So I never have to live without you. Come live in my heart and pay no rent. You have no idea how fast my heart beats when I see you. Being someone's first love may be great, but to be their last is beyond perfect. I love you. I am who I am because of you. You are my every reasons, every hope, and every dreams I have ever had. And no matter what happens to us in the future, every day we are together is the greatest day of my life. I will always be yours. I kind of sort of maybe quite possibly like you a lot. Love is not finding the perfect person. It's seeing an imperfect person perfectly. Because a girl like you is impossible to find. I love you. Not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. Turns out I like you a lot more than I originally planned. I love you for all that you are, all that you have been, and all that you are yet to be or yet to be next day.